We will not take any questions after this. Wing Commander Abhinandan has just been handed over to us as per standard operating procedure of the Indian Air Force. He will now be taken for a detailed medical checkup. This checkup is mandated particularly because the officer has had to eject from an aeroplane which would have put his entire body under great stress. IF is happy to have Abhinandan back.
Like all of us, all of you, all of us, all Indians are happy to have him back. So was he, to be back to his country. Any Indian, when he's in another country's custody and he comes back into his own country, you can. I think he was too overwhelmed by emotion, and but the happiness in his eyes were very evident.
Well, seeing the family, sir, did he say?
No, his family is not here.
The family did not come, sir. But tell me something, sir. What was the delay all about? India had been waiting for so many hours. What was the delay all about,
I
sir?
think the wait was worth it. To have him back was good enough.
We have him back, sir, but then the delay for so many hours, it was also agonizing for the entire country, for his family, sir.
Actually, we do not know the real reason, but the thing is the travel by road from Islamabad to Wagah and onto Atari is a very long distance.
Was there any communication from Pakistani side as what was the possible reason of the delay?
No, none.
No explanation whatsoever,
No
sir.
explanation was sought and no explanation was given.
Okay, and sir, the moment he stepped on the soil of India, sir, I'm sure that was a very proud, glorious moment when you saw him from such a close proximity. What did you
A
see,
very,
sir?
very touching moment, and all of us were very happy.
And did he give that smile to the country,
Yes,
sir?
yes, definitely a brilliant smile, and all the best.
Smile.